In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly get email into Todoist. This is really handy if you're looking to streamline your productivity and keep everything organized in one place. So let's dive right in and make this as straightforward as possible. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Todoist account. Head over to the website or open the app on your device. Once you're in, your main focus should be on accessing My Projects. So take a moment to locate My Projects on your dashboard. It's the place where you'll manage all your tasks and see the broader scope of what you're working on. Now that you're in My Projects, it's time to select the specific project you want to associate your emails with. Scroll through and find that project. Perhaps it's a work task, a personal goal, or something else. Once you've spotted it, just click on the project's name to open it. With your project open, glance over to the top right corner. Here, you'll see three little dots, a symbol that usually suggests more options are available. Click on those dots, and what you're looking for is an option that says Email Tasks to this project. Click on it, and this is where things get interesting. You'll see a prompt with a unique email address. This address is your golden ticket for adding emails directly as tasks to your chosen project. You might be wondering, what does this mean exactly? Well, it's quite simple. By sending or forwarding an email to this specific address, it will automatically create a task within your Todoist project. Think of it as a bridge that connects your emails to your to-do list, ensuring you don't miss an important message or task just because it's buried in your inbox. When you've committed this address to memory or saved it somewhere safe, don't forget you can also copy it directly. There's usually a copy email option right there, making it really convenient to paste this address wherever needed. But what if for some reason you ever wish to refresh things? Maybe the email address has been shared too widely, or you just want something new. That's entirely possible too. There's an option to generate a new email for that same project, allowing you to maintain control over who can add tasks to your Todoist. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you can effectively integrate your emails into Todoist, helping you stay organized and ensuring that no to-do goes unnoticed. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Happy organizing, and may your to-do lists be ever efficient.